Hello guys, good evening and welcome to Dubai Active Show. Today we will explore here latest fitness, wellness and innovation. If you want to build your body, if you want to build your muscle, this video just for you. You watch the video until end and let's go in the hall.
Just came to see this event just for, explore how the muscle show will be. I'm new to Dubai, so I just want to explore it. I just want to see the different face of the fitness.
Yeah, the event, is very good for all athletes and all companies. They can see more product and the new product. And also it's good for the business, all traders, all someone who needs a product for another country, so you can find the channel for all.
The event, it's amazing. This is the Dubai Muscle Show. Our brand is C5. C5, it's made in UAE, so our products, it's local. All the visitors came here. We very appreciated to visit us and our products. C5, it's pre-workout, the first pre-workouts in the Middle East. So we hope you all enjoy the events also. The future events, I think it will be more upgraded than this because every time there is a new products, there is a new thing coming in the market. So I hope the next events it will be like new brands and new products to get like what the targeted for the healthy people.
Yeah, my brand is called Freeman. We are a factory in China for 19 years. Yeah, and we have many equipment for the home use or gym use. If you anyone who interested, please let me know, and I will give you the good price.
So it's the second time. First time was last year. It's my second time. I really recommend. It's super nice event, and I think it's also for connection, for everything. It's good.
Yes, the event is amazing. We met a lot of nice people and a lot of technology and a lot of sport gadgets like ours. We are the ones that have a punching ball with 200 sensors inside, so you don't find it nowhere else in the world, just with us, Bounce. And it was a super experience for us.
What do you think about the future?
The future events, they should be the same like this one, yeah? A lot of entertainment, great people, full of people. I like that, and great energy. And sport is always perfect, yeah?
I think it's been an excellent event. The show was well attended for us as a brand. So Reflex Nutrition, we had a great mix of business-to-business buyers. So an opportunity to meet our distributors across the GCC and the wider Middle East, as well as markets like India, Pakistan and further afield. But then also the consumer attendance as well. Those coming to the show, showing an interest in the brand was exceptional.
What is the public feedback?
The public feedback has been good. I mean, ultimately from the wider public, this is an opportunity for them to engage with a lot of international brands like ourselves that come from England. This is perhaps one of the only times of the year where they actually get to meet the people that manufacture the products, distribute the products and make the products. So it's a great chance for us to get in front of the GCC consumer.
Yeah, I think the event's been very successful. We've had a lot of traction, we've had a lot of good business meetings. And the brand's gone down very, very well. And it was very well organised. Very happy.
What is public feedback?
Public feedback on our products was very good, and on the expo as a whole, excellent. Everyone said we've had good atmosphere, a lot of attendance. Yeah, very, very happy.
And what do you think about the future events?
Yeah, we've already signed up for the same place next year. And I think it's going to get bigger and better.
Well, we have a lot of people meeting the brand that is not yet in Dubai, but now it's coming and people already know it. So it was good that people know that it's coming now to Dubai. The people really like our product, like the taste of the product, and they came for the t-shirts. I don't know why they love the brand, they love the logo, and they came for the t-shirts actually, more than the pre-workout, but they love the taste of the pre-workout.